Rise and shine, it's smoothie time. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to kickstart your day and quickly blend up a smooth and super nutritious smoothie. Blueberry Orange Power Smoothie. To get started, grab a blender and add in 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 1 peeled and halved Cara orange, and 2 cups of Hy-Vee frozen unsweetened wild blueberries. Did you know that much of blueberries' power comes from their color? That deep blue hue comes from anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant with a wide variety of health benefits, including cardiovascular health and brain health. Next, also add in half a banana, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and a small handful of baby spinach. Cover and blend this mixture until smooth. Then, pour into 12-ounce glasses and garnish with orange wedges and additional chia seeds if desired. Serve immediately and enjoy. Still want something to chew? Pair your smoothie with a perfect bar. Made with over 20 superfoods, these high-fiber bars will help keep you full longer, making them a great grab-and-go option. If you have busy mornings, prep your smoothie in advance using freezer-safe plastic bags. Just add yogurt, milk, or liquid of choice whenever you're ready to serve. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.